We've been talking a lot about the Tesla Model Y, but let's be honest, that optional third row, it was practically a suggestion, not exactly a place you'd put a full-grown human. But now, Tesla's changing the math. They just launched the Model Y L right here in the US, giving us a 6-seat layout you might actually use. Stepping in to effectively replace the aging Model X, this extended wheelbase EV targets families who found the regular third row way too cramped to bother with. Now, the Model Y L actually first appeared in China back in August 2025, but this new US spec version is rolling straight out of Gigafactory, Texas. Let's look at the numbers. It keeps that classic design language from the standard car, but stretches it out. The wheelbase hits 119.7 inches. That's longer by 5.9 inches. Overall length bumps up by 6.9 inches to 195.6, thanks to the added space between the axles and a slightly longer rear overhang. Plus, to make sure your head isn't scraping the glass, the roofline sits 1.7 inches higher at 65.7 inches. Cargo space is massive. Max capacity reaches a huge 89 cubic feet, which is a full 15 cubic feet beyond the regular Model Y. Though classic Tesla, they haven't exactly told us how that figure holds up when all 6 seats are occupied. Right now, this is only available as the all-wheel drive Premium Launch Series, starting at $61,990. That's a $12,000 premium over the all-wheel drive Model Y Premium, and $4,000 over the Performance model. But you get a lot of hardware for that jump. Alongside reworked sheet metal, you're looking at a larger tailgate, bigger windows, a more pronounced rear spoiler, and a slick new Cosmic Silver paint option. It rides on 19 or 20-inch alloys with staggered tires, adaptive damping, and a retuned suspension for a smoother ride. Jump inside the Launch Series and it's packed. You get the familiar 16-inch central display, an 8-inch touchscreen in the back, and a 19-speaker audio system. The first 2 rows are both heated and ventilated, while that new third row is heated and power reclining. This limited run trim also adds puddle lights, suede dashboard trim, floor mats, branded sill plates, and special badges. Safety gets a necessary upgrade too, with extra window and belt line side airbags specifically for those third row passengers. It also packs full self-driving supervised, blind spot monitoring, front-facing cameras, and integrated Grok AI. And performance, it absolutely holds up. Tesla estimates 325 miles of range, just 2 miles shy of the standard Premium. Hook it up to a 250 kilowatt fast charger, and it pulls back 164 miles in 15 minutes. And it still hauls. 0 to 60 takes just 4.4 seconds, which is actually 0.2 seconds quicker than the shorter car. More versions are expected down the road, but the Premium Launch Series is on sale right now. Outside the US, this long wheelbase crossover is already selling in China, Australia, New Zealand, India, and Puerto Rico, with the UAE next in line. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and EV updates. Catch you in the next one.